Assalamualaikum kids, how are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, today I am going to teach you your revision work, and your revision work is use of a and en, which we have already discussed in our previous video. Now you open your copy and do it again with me. Children, on the top of the page you will write the heading of use of a and an, and then you will write some words which are given here. Children, I want to remember that there are 5 vowels in English: a, e, I, o, u, and rest of all are consonants. Children, those words which starts from vowels, we write an in front of them, and those words which starts from consonants, we write a in front of them. Now let's start our work. Children, this is orange. This is orange, and the spelling of orange is O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, and orange starts from O. And children, O is a vowel, so we will write here an. A-N, and orange. This is rabbit. Rabbit, and rabbit starts from R. And children, R is a consonant, so we will write here A. This is bus. Bus, B-U-S, bus, and bus starts from B, and B is also consonant, so we will write here A. This is apple. Apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple, and apple starts from A, and A is a vowel, so we will write here A-N. A-N. Now children, this is desk. D-E-S-K, desk, and desk start from D, and D is a consonant, so we will write here A, because D is not a vowel, so we will write here A. This is egg. E-G-G, egg, and you can also read like this, E-double-G, egg. And children, E is a vowel, so we will write here A-N. A-N, and egg. And egg. This is sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. And children, S is not a vowel, so we will write here A, because S is a consonant. This is lemon. This is lemon. L-E-M-O-N, lemon. And children, L is a consonant, so we will write here A. This is air. Air, and air starts from E, and E is a vowel, so we will write here A-N, and air. This is umbrella. This is umbrella, and umbrella starts from U. And children, U is a vowel or not? Yes, U is a vowel, because how many vowels in English? 5. And which one? A-E-I-O-U. So U is a vowel, so we will write here A-N. This is uncle. This is uncle, and uncle starts from U, so we will write here A-N. This is pen. This is pen. P-E-N, pen. So we will write here A, because P is a consonant. I hope children you will understand the use of A and AN. kindly children do this work again and again at home by the guidance of your parents. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.